Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the multi-select with value label, how to use that one. For example, value is IN, label is India. So in the options in the drop down, IN hyphen India, it must be shown. That we are going to look into this video. So let's start this. First we need to install the react-select to achieve the multi-select options. So for that we need to install this npm i react select in a VS Code. After that import this in the VS Code. Then you can use this select now. Already I installed, that's why I am directly saying. Then use that here and close this tag. I mean it's a component, library component we are using. To achieve this multi-select we use that is multi flag, that is default true. After that use that options which are available above here, same options. See, look here, these options, Control C, Control V. Directly you can use those options, automatically it will take. Then let's check this whether it is showing or not in the output. Yeah, selected is coming. Now for this we need to write down the functionality to have the events. So here we use that on change event handler. Then we'll write down the method to handle this. Handle options, copy this one, paste here, const which is equal to Control V equals to, then here we'll use that arrow function. In this the values are selected or multi-selected values, so that it is getting the list of elements, list of items, selected items. Then get them into a state variable to show or to display or give it to the backend. So declare a constant variable, that is selected set selected. Use that state management variable, use state. Initially you can use that array because the list of items which are available we are going to select now, those will come into this selected. So handle those, I mean get those values into this function, use this and list, directly we can get it. So after this one, Control C, let's check this, what is in this CLG, short form Control spacebar, then it will come, and remove this and paste that selected variable and use that variable to get the value. Let's check this in the console. Yeah, now we'll select a value India. Look here, it is in the form of array of objects, it's coming, it is taking like that, second option, right? But our aim is to do that it is showing only India, Iran, but our aim is this aim of this video is that IN hyphen India, IN hyphen Iran, IR hyphen Iran, JP hyphen Japan, like that we need to achieve. For that purpose we should do that some conversions to show that in the drop down as we discussed. So for that purpose we will take one let variable say special options, we need to make it as special options, special options, which is equals to take same options here and map them dot map. Within this we'll use the object that is opt and use the arrow function and do the mapping and return the values. Which one we need to do that? This label we need to show as in-India like that. So here we'll use the spread operator, except these remaining values are done, those should come as usually. That's why we should use that spread operator here. opt comma which value we are going to modify? Label. So label, label colon. So what is the way to we need to modify? in-India. So for that we are going to use template literals. Within this we are going to use that dollar first opt dot what is that value hyphen. At the same time we need to give this opt dot label. That is the logic. So it is the code, I mean value as in-India. So that is going to store in the label only. Remaining value is it is automatically it will iterate and take that one. So let us print this, then we can check it. Yeah, now see here what are the elements we are going to select, those how they are showing, it's not reflecting, but here we can check it. Look here, label is changed, the in-India, so we achieved that once. That's why we will take this special options, Control C, and give it to here, Control V. Now check it. Look here, options are showing as we expected. in-India, JP-Japan, IR-Iran. So it is okay, it is coming right. Now how can we display this selected value to pass to the backend? So for that we should do some kind of logic here. Let backend equals to selected if it is there the values are available, then only we can do mapping to get the selected values and we can pass to the backend. Map it and change it to opt or something or backend. So backend means BEND, we can use that, this like this implies directly we can return, automatically it returns like this, opt dot value selected value. So what is this? Not the opt, BEND. Control C, this is the BEND, Control V. Yeah, now we can display this backend value. Control C, Control V. Check, let's check it in the console whether it is giving or not. Now look here, first we need to select the value from the drop down. Yeah, one is selected, just look here, IN. and if you select another one, yeah, it is showing. If you select this one, yeah, it is showing. You can remove that, yeah, it is also removed. So this is the list of values ready, ready made. Then we can pass it to the backend. This is the way we can do that. First of all, we have taken the options. You can feel it as a, maybe these values are coming from backend. From the backend, maybe these two values, these two properties comes differently. So we need to convert them as a, in this value and label. That is different story, we'll discuss later. Already have discussed in some other previous videos. You can look into that one, how to convert that. Then in this case, options are ready. Then those options are, we have converted as our required format, like in hyphen India, like that, like that. That is this conversion. Then after handling these selected values, we have converted or mapped those values and ready made and give it ready to give it to the backend. This is the backend data. While you are doing API integration, like saving or moving or submitting or adding or something, whatever you are going to do the operation, no, we can pass this as a payload. Okay, that's it. So friends, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.